So in today's video, we are going to show you how to use aloe vera to treat diarrhea in rabbits.
Hello viewers, in today's video I'm taking you straight to the point. We are discussing about treating diarrhea in rabbits without using the medicine or the artificial method. So we are going to show you what aloe vera and how it is used in the treatment of rabbit diarrhea. You harvest it this way. You can have your knife, cut some parts of all the leaves of it, then wash it clean with water. So when you're done washing the aloe vera clean with water, the next step is to remove these thorns like parts from it to ensure that they do not harm our rabbits. So when you're done removing these thorny parts, let me show you the application or how to use it in the rabbit farm. So when you're done harvesting your aloe vera and you've washed it clean and cleaned it, this aloe vera can be used in two ways. You can either give it directly to the animals or to the rabbits, or you can cut it in two pieces and dip it into the rabbit drinking water. So here we are going to give it direct to the animals. And if that animal is not feeling well or it has some diarrhea, it will feed on the aloe vera offered to eat. So this is the best way we always use to treat our animals from diarrhea. We either apply or dip the aloe vera peelings into the rabbit drinking water, or we give it direct to the animals to feed on so as they get healed with the diarrhea. Thank you.